Welcome to Revs, the future of real estate selling in Australia. Before you sell your next property and waste an astonishing amount of money by paying a hefty real estate agent commission, I want you to think about something. What if you never had to hire a full-service real estate agent ever again? Traditional agents bundle everything together: the listing, the open home, the negotiation, and they charge you a commission that can run into tens of thousands of dollars. But what if you only paid for what you actually need? And what if you could hire a real estate valet that can be either an agent or a member of the public? That's the phenomenal idea behind Revs. Picture this for just a moment. A homeowner visits the Revs website or just opens their app and posts a single task such as this: I need someone to run an open home this Saturday in Sydney. And then, within hours, a local real estate valet accepts the job. Now, finally, property sellers have no more lock-in contracts, and they needn't pay any commissions at all because the valet is doing a specific task for a specific fee that both parties have agreed upon. People just choose their real estate valet and pay for exactly the kind of service they need when they need it. Valets can hold open homes where they meet and greet on behalf of an owner. But valets can also do a myriad of other property-related tasks, such as house cleaning, window cleaning, house sitting, pet sitting, conveyancing, signboard installation, real estate photography, floor plan creation, and numerous other tasks. You can think of Revs as the Uber of real estate, or the Airtasker of property. The revolutionary part of Revs, however, is that it often involves a member of the public doing some of the activities that had previously only been undertaken by a licensed real estate agent. Activities like running an open home. Using the open home example just for a moment, picture this. Buyers walk through the front door of an open home. A host, who is a real estate valet, greets them, shows them around, and possibly even collects feedback. You see, the real estate valet is now doing some of the things, but not all of the things that a traditional agent would normally do. Except that now it's a person that you hired and who is working for you and on your terms. More importantly, the valet is being paid a predetermined set fee and zero commission. Remember that real estate valets can be either traditional, licensed real estate agents, or they can just be non-licensed members of the general public. You see, anyone can become a real estate valet, including existing agents, and including your next-door neighbour, and even including yourself. REVS members can welcome buyers to the property and even show them around the home. However, valets can't negotiate for a seller, unless the real estate valet also happens to be a licensed agent. The valet is generally there to simply show the property on your behalf and to put buyers and sellers in touch, to answer questions and put forward offers without the middleman and his commission. In other words, buyers can ask questions of a valet, which will be directed to the owner every single time. The valet can even facilitate a video call between a buyer and an owner in real time, either during or after the property inspection. Alternatively, the real estate valet can simply give the owner's details to the potential buyer so that buyers can put their questions or their offer directly to the owner. This gives buyers a genuine, pressure-free experience. No pushy sales tactics, no inflated commissions driving the conversation. So now you can see why this is such a big deal and why this revolutionary approach to selling is so valuable to a seller. Revs puts control back in the hands of property owners, and Revs operates in every state of Australia. Revs lets sellers choose which services they need, when they need them, and who delivers them. Revs is not just a smarter way to sell. Revs is a long overdue real estate revolution in Australia. In fact, Revs truly is real estate reimagined.